Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we don't have a riding POV, but we are going to actually install the new SC Project CRT exhaust on my Yamaha R1. I just picked it up recently. It's my 2024 Yamaha R1. If you guys have seen, I did the pickup video. I've already done some slight mods to it. I did a Puig windscreen, Rizoma mirrors, new rage fender eliminator, just small stuff. But I decided I want to go ahead and film this. It's not going to be like a full install video, so if you're looking on how to install the part on the bike, this isn't the video for you. This is just a before sound clip, you know, me taking off some parts, working on it, and then an after sound clip. So without further ado, here's the actual exhaust. So we got the box right here. I've already opened it up, gone through it. So basically this is a full exhaust besides the headers, because the Yamaha R1 actually already comes with titanium headers. This is just the rest to finish it off. This isn't included with the exhaust, but this is something you're gonna need if you do want to get the exhaust. This is the servo buddy for the Yamaha. What it does is there's a little pulley system for the valve on the exhaust, so you plug this in because you're gonna have to remove that pulley system, and instead of getting an error code, this blocks that out for you. So here, looks like we got some hardware. There's a pipe right there, another pipe right there. And then here we have the actual muffler. Let me go ahead and pull this out. So here it is. This is the muffler part, the most exciting part of the exhaust. Wow, looks amazing. Full straight pipe, of course. This thing is definitely gonna be louder. The welds on this thing are insane. It's beautiful. For race use only. I decided to go with titanium because I don't like the colors on the carbon one, because I don't know, I just like the plain titanium. I had the titanium SC Project on my last bike. The carbon one comes like colored like this, and I mean, I don't know, it just kind of throws it off for me. I kind of like the silver on black look, so this will probably be the only silver piece I have on the bike. But, you know, a little contrast never hurt anybody. So let's go ahead, head outside, and start working on this. So here it is. This is how the bike sits right now. As you can see, we still got the full stock exhaust here. These are the valve wires that I think I'm gonna have to get rid of, which is definitely gonna be a pain, but you know. So we just threw on the Puig windscreen. We got the Rizoma mirrors. Now that I'm looking at it, I think this might take me more than a couple hours, but you know, tie detail. So without further ado, let's go ahead, start it up, see what it sounds like. Clearly not going to rev it while it's cold. I don't even like turning it off after running it that little, but clearly not going to rev it when it's cold. But I don't want the exhaust to heat up, so I'm turning it off now because we're about to work on it. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. It's not much louder when you rev it. It is a little louder, but let's go ahead and get to work. Alright, so I went ahead, get all the bolts off on this side. We had a mounting bolt right here, mounting bolt right there underneath this brake. Up underneath this fairing down there, we had another mounting bolt, the O2 sensor, this clamp. Now that we got all those off, I think we have two more mounts on the other side, and then another clamp over there. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna take out the thingy-mabob. Forgot the name. I'm doing this all with like shitty tools too. This is a terrible kit. This, and I'm using it to break loose. I definitely need to invest in some better tools, but yeah, all the money's going into R1 right now, so tools come later. All right, before I decided to go ahead and move over to the other side, I decided I'm gonna take out the little motor. It is right here. As you can see, the two wires that feed down here, so I'm gonna have to take off that mount, unplug that. That's where the servo buddy's gonna go. That way I don't get thrown any error codes. But by the looks of it, I think it's just that bolt right there, and then getting these off of there, which looks like those two bolts. So I'm hoping this is the hardest part of the install, because they run, you can see the two wires that run through here. I don't know how I'm gonna fit them through, but we will figure that out. Hopefully I don't have to take off this, because I don't have to take off this and just too much stuff. But yeah, they run down. See them tucked up right back there, down there, to there, and then right to here. So I think I'm also, I might not have to take this off and take those off. If I might be able to remove the wire from up there. If I'm not able to remove it and it's just giving me too much problems, I'm just gonna actually cut it, because it's smart to save all the original OEM pieces from your bike. I saved like everything that I took off, but if I can't take it, I mean, it's not gonna go back on. If it's going back on, I'm not the owner. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, try to figure this out, and I will see you guys when I get it out, hopefully. Basically, we got this out, and feeds through here, down to here. We got these two off. This one's not off yet. Now we got these two off. So basically, we're gonna feed them through. I think I'm gonna go this way, because I don't think that's gonna fit through the fairing. So I basically just gotta unhook them right there, and we're out. I just want to give credit to this YouTuber. It's literally helping me through this whole install. Last install video wasn't the best video, but this guy, Modonosity, dude, this install's going so quick because of that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that out now. All right, so here we go. We got all the bolts loose, got the thingy-mabob out of there, so it should be able to just wiggle off now. Oh, jeez. A lot more shaking than I anticipated, but damn, that thing is at least 20 pounds. And I'm pretty sure the new project, SC Project's like 4 pounds. Now that we have that off, let's go ahead, try to get this new exhaust on. So we went ahead and put on those two pipes right there already, and then screwed in the O2 sensors. Now, the actual little muffler, if you could call it that, straight pipe, basically. So this goes on here, and that one piece is right here. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, get it all mounted up, and you know what's next. All right, well, here it is, the CRT SC Project exhaust. If you did this, let me know if you had a problem with the mounting back here. It gave me such a pain. That was literally the hardest part of the install, was actually getting the end of the exhaust to get onto the two connector pieces. But yeah, it looks, I'm so glad I went with the titanium. I love the contrast on it. I like how it also kind of goes with the R1 logo on here. But yeah, that thing looks so mean. And it saves me like 20 pounds. Yeah, all right, so without further ado, the part we've all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and get a pretty cold start. What I'm doing is just playing with the start and stop switch, because I've heard sometimes it helps with the idle, because sometimes the idle's off when you first put it on. So just do that a little bit, and now let's actually get the start. Turned it on off again. It definitely helped with the idling a little bit. Yeah, that sounds insane. So yeah, guys, that's it. This thing is crazy loud now, so that's pretty awesome. It's definitely running rich. I can definitely smell it. Now I'm probably gonna want to take it to the dyno, get it tuned, make sure everything's running correctly. The idle still doesn't sound perfect, but I mean, sounds good to me. So yeah, that's basically it. This took me, I think I started at like 3 o'clock. It's now 6 o'clock. It's like a 3-hour install. I did definitely take my time. If you want to rush it, you can rush it, but I took my time. So around 3 to 5 hour install, nothing too crazy. It's a pretty fun install in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about the new exhaust. I love it already. If you're new here, go ahead, drop a sub. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.